Hello everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fade. So glad to see you again. Today we are reading Rain. It's written and illustrated by Usher, and it's a beautiful picture book. And I hope you enjoyed today's story. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's jump right in. Rain. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to get outside. Granddad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors, but I said I liked going out in the rain. You can catch raindrops, splash in puddles, and look at everything upside down. But Granddad said, let's wait for the rain to stop. So we waited and waited. But did the rain stop? No. So I said, Granddad, I'd like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. And Granddad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did the rain stop? No. So we waited some more. And Granddad got very busy writing. I said, Granddad, I'd like to visit the floating city with acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. And Granddad said, quick, let's go. I need to get this in the mail. But had the rain stopped? Yes. There wasn't a moment to lose, so we got ready and stepped outside. It was time for an adventure at last. Granddad made me captain. It started to rain again. So we caught raindrops. And Granddad let me mail his important letter. Back on dry land, with warm socks and hot chocolate, Granddad said, you see, the very best things are always worth waiting for. And I agreed. I hope it rains again tomorrow. What a beautiful story between a child and its grandpa. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.